These are the important MCQs from the chapter Respiration in Plants. The energy releasing process in which the substrate is oxidized without an external electron acceptor is called option A aerobic respiration, B glycolysis, C fermentation, D photorespiration. Answer option C fermentation. Aerobic respiratory pathway is appropriately termed A parabolic, B amphibolic, C anabolic, D catabolic. Answer option B amphibolic. Oxidative phosphorylation is option A formation of ATP by transfer of phosphate group from a substrate to ADP. Option B oxidation of phosphate group in ATP. C addition of phosphate group to ATP. D formation of ATP by energy released from electrons removed during substrate oxidation. Answer option D formation of ATP by energy released from electrons removed during substrate oxidation. Which of the metabolites is common to respiration mediated breakdown of fats, carbohydrates and proteins? Option A pyruvic acid, B acetyl CoA, C glucose 6-phosphate, D fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Answer option B acetyl CoA. In which one of the following process carbon dioxide is not released? Option A aerobic respiration in plants, B aerobic respiration in animals, C alcoholic fermentation, D lactate fermentation. Answer option D lactate fermentation.